Alright, I'm back with another smoke alarm unboxing. I actually haven't done a smoke alarm unboxing in a while. But yeah, so I guess I'll just open it. This is a pretty cool unit inside this box. It's actually arrived pretty quickly. Wasn't supposed to arrive until tomorrow, but here it is. So. Open it. Wow, this is a good box. You can already kind of see it. Now you probably already know what this is. Alright, there it is. This is another Vulcan unit. Another line corded one. This is a pretty cool one. This is the if I can get the bracket off. So this is the Vulcan. Oh wow, this whole thing just fell off. What the heck? Where's the model? Okay, this is the Vulcan Autosonic model PVR MARK II smoke detector. Oh man, that's actually unfortunate that this fell off. I'll put that to the side. I'll have to just see if I can tape that back on or something. And this is line corded, as you can see. And as you probably know, about 2 months ago at this point or something, I got this model, the Vulcan SRO-4, which is kind of like, I think, their first line cord model. And I don't know if this is the successor, because I know there's a model of this that has like a cover more similar to this one, but it's on this base. There's one on eBay right now, but it's really expensive. And then I also have this, which is sorta a battery-powered version of this, except this is a much later model. This one is from the 90s to be specific. Actually from 1990. So, yeah, but there are earlier ones that are gold. So, yeah. Well, anyhow, I'll get these out of the way for now. And I will open it, because I'm actually not sure what the insides of this one look like. I'm not sure if this one has the open style, or if it has the closed. And it has the closed style, like BNF Vintage's does. So I can't, now of course I can't remember the exact model this is a rebrand of. But, alright. So I'm the second person, or third person to own this model. Of course, Baltimore Alums and Fans got one probably 3 months ago now. He did a really good review of this thing. He hasn't tested his yet, so maybe I'll be the first to test it. Although there is no test button, I don't think. Oh no, there is a test button. Then just a few weeks ago, Jen Eaton got one, but hers is a little different. Hers is, I believe, an earlier model, because the this piece here isn't on it, so like you can see all the stuff. It's actually not that dusty. I mean, it's dusty, but not that dusty. And this is a lens here, a light lens. And this here is where you can pull the lens out of, which it slides out in a unique way. Oh, that's cool. Here's the replacement bulb for it. It's got a tiny little bulb. My camera will focus. Just a tiny little bulb. Like a bullet, actually. It's pretty cool. Put that back. And it says U.S. Safety and Engineering Corporation, Vulcan PVR MARK 2. And then here is a vent for, I'm guessing, the sensing chamber here. And this too, I would assume. And then there's another model of this, or not of this, but it's a much later model, I would assume, because it has a piezo, and it's based off of a hardwired Gateway Scientific. And Enlund has one of those. It would have this, but in his video he took like this back plate off, and it was the Gateway Scientific base under it, like literally the exact same as my Sears, so it was Gateway. And that did like 4.6, of course, and then it had a red and green LED instead of a incandescent bulb. I'd like to get my hands on one of those, because those are pretty unique. So yeah, I will put this back on. Oh, actually, I'm an idiot. I will put this back on. And then I will see. Actually, wait, no. I will, before I put that back on, I will show or compare the innards of its predecessor, the SR04. As you can see, it's very different. This is based off the well, I'm not going to be able to remember it now, of course. I promise I was doing my research the whole time. It's just I just woke up and I can't remember. But these are both based off of different units, but they both use about the same technology. I mean, they both use incandescent bulbs. And I'm pretty sure they both use the same style sensing chamber since they have the incandescent bulbs. Just a little bit different designs. And I'm not going to be plugging this one in to compare because this one goes off and it's still pretty early in the morning. Oh my gosh. Yep, that's another. I'm an idiot. Probably should have woke myself up before filming this. Alright. Now I will hopefully put the right screw in this one. And these are pretty unique units. You don't see a lot of these, so I'm glad I picked it up. Although there was a cheaper one on eBay that I kind of wish I picked up instead. I'm pretty sure it was the same model. And it was actually way cheaper. So I will bring this, my extension cord. Actually, let me do something before. Alright, okay, now I can plug it in and see if it works. And it doesn't. Alright, I will be right back once again, and I will see if I can replace the bulb on it real quick. Alright, I replaced the bulb, and as you can see, thankfully it works. So, yeah, now let's give it a test with the test lever. Yep, it just does your classic squeal, which if I'm correct, it uses a Kobishi CLB27, from what I could see. So yeah, and I'll give it one more test real quick with the test lever. And yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this not really quick review video and unboxing, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.